Hey guys, it's Abby from Smartass Sass, and I am here to show you what was in our June box. Alright, so June's theme was Here Comes Trouble. So every month you get a little booklet that tells you the theme, but more importantly, tells you every item you're getting, where it came from, if there are care instructions, how you can get more of them, coupon codes, and then it also tells you next month's theme, which we've announced on social already, but it's for Fox's sake. So it's all pun related stuff. It's super fun. Very sassy still, but very fun. Okay, so let's dig in. All right, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is a shot glass that we designed. So it says Here Comes Trouble, and it is a 3-ounce shot glass, so it is huge. Our thought was if you're not a big drinker, you could use it as a condiment cup, and it's still super functional and fun, but it has this glaze on it that's like, it almost looks like water droplets, and it's ceramic. So that's the shot glass. Okay, next up, this is an item that we worked with Scented Studio. They're a perfumery and body product company in Denver, but we made a custom scent. Oh God, I don't know what I'm doing. That didn't work. But it's scented, or I guess we called it Unapologetically Me. It has a nice kind of florally scent. Let me tell you what it actually was. A blend of Sweet Rain, Arabian Sandalwood, Luscious Orange Blossom, and Desire oils. So it smells really good. It's a 5 milliliter little roll-on guy. If you like this scent, you can contact Scented Studio and they will help you get it in a different product, or you can customize your own scent with them, which is really cool, and they can do it over mail. Very neat. Alright, next up we have a product from Unblushing, which used to be called Julianne Art. She makes a ton of hilarious greeting cards, lots of other products too though, and so we got this washi tape from her that has middle fingers all over it. It's so cute. We had a couple customers tell us how they were using it already. Someone said that they were just putting it on like notes for coworkers, I think, and then someone else said they work at a bar, and I think it was the bartender was putting it on the tabs of people who were being terrible. So tons of uses for that. Okay, next up is every month we have a collectible sticky note, and so every subscriber gets that, whether it's the box, the big box, or just the shirt. So this month's design says, I don't take orders, I barely take suggestions. So every month we do a different design. It's always on Post-it brand stickies, and there's 50 sheets, so it should tide you over until next month's stickies. Alright, next up we have, this item is from Fun Club, and she has hilarious stuff, all kinds of products. I have some candles over on my desk that I don't want to burn because I just like smelling them so much. But anyway, so what we have from her in this month is this 5-pen demotivational set. And so I'll show it to you and then I'll read each one, but it has 5 different pens. And so it says, you've already peaked, everyone's judging you, you're for sure getting fired, that idea is garbage, and your face is weird. So if somebody asks you to borrow a pen, you can send them a really funny covert message. Okay, next up, this is was our spoiler item for this month. So it is the Active Bitch Face pouch from Emily McDowell and Friends. This pouch is so high quality. It has it's a thick canvas on the outside, and it says, you should see my active bitch face, and the design is on both sides. It also has a cotton lining on the inside, which is really nice. It has a gold zip, and then the zipper fabric is also the design fabric, which I thought was really nice. So there's that. And then last up for box items, we have a leatherette journal that we did. So it's this red, it's faux leather. It says, underestimate me, that'll be fun, in this embossed or debossed design. But this journal is such great quality. I was really excited about doing this product. So it has the elastic where you can keep your journal closed or, save a certain page. But it also has the bookmark, which is nice. It is lined. And then lastly, it has this nice little pocket in the back so you can put your stickies in there. You could store, receipts or any notes that you need to carry around. So yeah, that's that. And that's everything in the box. So last up we have the shirt, which big box subscribers get or shirt only subscribers get, and I am wearing it. So it is one of our favorite quotes. It says, "Well-behaved women seldom make history," is from Laura Thatcher Ulrich. This shirt is a heather mauve, and it's, as always, we use Bella Canvas heather shirts, so it's super soft. But yeah, that was everything in this month's box. So we have a couple left of the box, some of the individual items, and then certain sizes of shirts we still have available. So I'll post those links. I'll also post the link if you want to subscribe for July. Again, that theme is for Fox's sake, and it's all punny, pun-related stuff, but still very sassy. So, thanks.